Good evening. It's Holly from Florida once again. Anyway, this evening my topic is why millions quit their jobs. AI, artificial intelligence, job loss, and building your plan B. Imagine waking up tomorrow and your job is gone. What's your plan? Any comments about that? For most people, this isn't just a fear, it's happening right now. Some facts, I've mentioned them before, but I'd like to repeat it. Hi, Fidel, thank you for joining. Millions of people are quitting their jobs, but not because they want to. Artificial intelligence is replacing jobs faster than companies can hire. If you don't have a second income, you're at risk. Hi, Peggy and TV and Max, I think. Thank you for joining. Seriously, what's your backup plan? Anybody care to share that thought? What's your backup plan with what's going on in our economy and world? This isn't just in the United States. It's all over the place. Stay with me because I'm going to break it down exactly what's happening and why millions are leaving their jobs and how you can build an income stream, an income stream that AI, artificial intelligence, can't take away from you, period. That's a definite. Why the 9-to-5 system is failing. People think having a job, equals security. That's false. Companies are cutting costs, and workers are the first to let go. Sadly to say, but it's true. Retirement, most people will never afford it. Reality check. 85 million jobs will be lost to AI, artificial intelligence, and automations before 2030. That's not a very long time period away. 70% of workers have no emergency savings. Most Americans can't retire without downsizing their entire life. So, what do? You create income that works for you. Safety net. Keep that in mind. I started this business because I knew relying on just one income, especially in today's economy, was a risk. I couldn't afford to take that risk. I've spent years in real estate, but I wanted something that gave me more time, freedom, security, and control over my financial future. What I've learned along the way has been absolutely life-changing. Hi, Dave. Definitely, yes. Before this, I had zero tech skills. I just was fighting with my blankety-blank computer because the mouse is working, but it's not typing. So I got to figure that out when I'm done here. But anyway, I'm not tech savvy. I had zero skills. I barely knew how to create content, let alone use automation. I didn't even understand exactly what that was. But through this, what I'm doing, I've learned how to market effectively, attract the right audience, and build something that works for me, not the other way around. These skills don't just apply with this business, they apply to any online space, opening doors to opportunities I never thought were possible. This is for anyone feeling stuck, whether it's job insecurity, struggling to balance work and life. Hi, Gunny and Gary and Gunny. I said that. Thank you for joining.